Welcome to all future doctors. How are you to all? Now we are going to discuss another types of problem. That problem basically based on how we can find that dimensional formula. So we are going to discuss. So first question you can see on the screen. X is equal to 3yz square. Find dimension of y in MKSA system. If x and z are the dimension of capacity and magnetic field respectively. Option A is given m minus 3 l minus 2 t minus 4 a minus 1. Option B is given m l power minus 2. Option C is given m minus 3 l minus 2 t power 4 a power 4, and option D is given m power minus 3 l power minus 2 t power 8 and a power 4. So how we can find the dimension? That is the first point. So what is telling here according to question, there is a given x is equal to 3yz square, okay, and they are asking the dimension of y. What asking? Dimension of y asking. So you can write also like this dimension either dimension formula, no problem. Okay, so they are asking dimension formula of the y, either dimension of the y, they are asking like this. And what they are telling, where dimension of x is showing, what is showing? Capacity. Very good. So you know very well the dimension of x is showing the dimension of capacity, it means c. So you know very well the dimension formula of the c. If suppose that you don't know the dimension formula of the c, so you can see that dimensional formula chart, okay, from there you can find, no problem. So now you can place the dimensional formula of the c. So you know very well m minus 1 l minus 2 T4 and a square. This is a dimensional formula of the x, either c. Next, dimensional formula of the z. What is the z? So where dimensional formula of z, what is z is showing? Z is showing here magnetic field. So magnetic field is showing means we can write here like this. So here we are writing magnetic field, no problem, magnetic field. So now you can place the dimensional formula of the magnetic field. So what is the dimensional formula of the magnetic field? M t minus 2 a minus 1. This is a dimensional formula of the magnetic field. This is a dimensional formula of the capacity, okay. Now either we can write capacitance of the capacitor, no problem, okay. So they are asking dimensional formula of the y. So from equation this, what we can write? From x is equal to 3yz square, they are asking dimensional formula of the y. So we can write y is equal to dimensional formula of the x divided by what we can write dimensional formula of the z square. So we need to find dimensional formula of the y. So we can arrange like this. Then you will say, sir, where is the 3? 3 is a constant. Don't forget, 3 is a constant. So now you can place the value of x, this one here, dimensional formula of x, m minus 1 l minus 2 t power 4 a square divided by here z square. So dimensional formula of the z means here you can write m t minus 2 a minus 1 square. So finally you can write here, where you can write, here you can write, no issues. So dimensional formula of the y is equal to, you can just arrange this one. So finally when you will write, so you will get the final answer. What answer you can get? M minus 3 L minus 2 T power 8 A power 4. So this is the final answer of this given problem. So final answer this one. So which option you can consider correct? So option D is matching. So option D is the right answer of this problem. Till here any problem or not? If you having any problem, any doubt, you can make the comment below the comment box. So once again you can see, you can solve directly, no issues. Okay, here also you can apply y is equal to, you can write x upon z square. If you know the dimensional formula, you can apply direct formula, directly you can solve. I solved till here because of better understand. Okay, so now you can make note down. Now we are going to discuss next question. Next question you can see on the screen. Dimensions of 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught, where symbols have their usual meaning are. Option A is given LT minus 1. Option B is given L minus 1 T. Option C is given L minus 2 T square. Option D is given L square T minus 2. So what they are asking, that dimension of 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught asking. So listen very carefully. There is a asking dimension of asking 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught. Okay, so you know one thing, that if let us see you are going to solve this one, so how you can solve, you know there is the what we can consider, okay, velocity of the light. Okay, so velocity of the light if you are writing, because velocity of the light, so you know velocity of the light if you are writing here, c is equal to, you know very well, 1 upon root over mu naught epsilon naught. Like this you can write, c is equal to 1 upon root mu naught epsilon naught. So you know very well the velocity of the light, if suppose that you are going to write the dimension formula of that c, so you can write LT minus 1. Is it okay or not? So LT minus 1, but what problem having here root having. So how we can write this one, how we can make the arrangement? So we can write here c square is equal to 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught. So we are going to find the dimensional formula. So we can write this side, this one this side, and this one this side. So we can also write 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught is equal to c square. So we are going to find the dimensional formula. So we can write like this large bracket. Till here any doubt? No doubt. So now you can place the value of that dimensional formula of that c. So 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught, okay, is equal to LT minus 1 square. So finally you can write 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught is equal to L square T minus 2. L square T minus 2 is the dimensional formula of the 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught. If you are asking that, sir, why you are writing here velocity, we know very well that this is a speed of the light c. So you can consider, no problem, okay. But you will get the same dimensional formula like this, LT minus 1. So you can square here, because here is a c square having. So square you can do. So you will get L square T minus 2. L square T minus 2 if you are getting, so c, one things. Here having LT minus 1 power 2 like this. So which option is correct? You can see that option. So option D is matching. So option D is the right answer of this problem. Is it okay or not? Okay na? So now we are going to discuss next problem. If capital L, comma, capital C and capital R denote the inductance, comma, capacitance and resistance respectively, comma, the dimensional formula for C square LR is. They are asking dimensional formula of C square LR. So how you can find this answer? Okay, so see that option first is given ML minus 2 T minus 1 I naught. It means I power 0, means there is a dimensionless. Okay, B M0 L0 T T3 I0. You can also read M naught L naught T cube I naught. Option C, M minus 1 L minus 2 T6 I square. Option D, M naught L naught T square I naught. So see what they are going to ask and what is given. First you can see what given. Given here L is showing that inductance, very good, inductance, and second things is given, C is showing here capacitance, and R is showing here resistance. R is showing here resistance. So they are asking the dimensional formula of what they are asking? Dimensional formula for C square LR. So you can write like this, C square LR. Like this you can write also. Yes or no? Very good. So now you know one formula. Which formula you know very well? That formula we can mention here. Okay. So first we are going to make the arrangement. After arrangement we will solve it. Okay. So which types of arrangement you are going to write here? Let us see. I am writing here C square LR. I can mention. Okay. What we can mention here? Okay. So here C square L square R upon L. Here we are making some arrangement. Here is L having. So divided by L, multiply by L. So it will be L square divided by L. Is it okay? Why we are doing like this? You will understand. Wait. Okay. So now if suppose that you are going to do like this. So you can also mention here LC square R upon L. Like this you can write. So after this, you know one thing very well. If suppose that you are writing like this, so keep remember one thing, whenever you will divide R upon L, then what you will get? See, because if suppose that L upon R is coming, so directly you can mention here, it will show the dimension formula of the time. When inductance, dimensional formula of the inductance, you will divide with the dimensional formula of the resistance, then you will get time. Okay. So now here is the R upon L having. So R upon L means, so you can write here time inverse. Is it okay or not? Then if you got R upon L dimensional formula of R upon L T inverse, then how we can find the dimensional formula of LC? So you know one thing, that what things you know, because frequency F you know 1 upon 2 pi root LC. Yes or no? Yes or no, tell me. This is a frequency formula having 1 upon 2 pi root LC. So now 2 pi is a constant, so no need to write. So you know that frequency, how we can define that frequency. If suppose that we are defining that frequency, so frequency means that is a 1 upon T. So how we can write 1 upon T is equal to 1 upon 2 pi root LC. So finally we are going to write here. So up and down you can do. So you need to take only that physical quantities like that L and C. So here you will write here root LC is equal to T. So LC is equal to, here you can write T square. Is it okay or not? Like this. Pakka. But here having LC square. So LC square having means what you can consider here. Very good. LC square. So LC square means, so here you can write T square square. It means you can write here T power 4. Is it okay or not? T power 4. Now you can place this value here. When you are going to place this value, where? Here. So now you can place. So you will get here, what you will get? Either this one you are just going to change like this. So now you can place here this value. So LC square. So what is the value of LC square? t power 4. Very good. And what is the value of r upon L? R upon L, t minus 1. So here you can write t minus 1. So finally you can write t cube. So which option is matching? You can see in that given option which option is matching. So maybe option B is the correct answer of this problem. So option B is given like this: m0 L0 t power 3 and I naught. So which option having correct? So value of the dimensional formula of c square LR is equal to, you will get this answer. Okay, you are feeling that this is a long calculation. Not a long calculation having. That's I am explaining. When you will better understand, definitely you will get the right solution. If you will not understand, so you cannot get that right solution. So you please just look at this proper arrangement and proper solution, then you try to do practice. Okay, so now we are going to solve next problem. Next problem you can see on the screen. A force capital F is given by F is equal to AT plus BT square, where small t is time. What are the dimensions of A and B? Option A is given mlt power minus 3 and ml square t minus 4. Option B is given mlt power minus 3 and mlt power minus 4. Option C is given mlt minus 1 and mlt 0. It means mlt naught. And option D you can also see. Okay, so now we are going to solve this problem. So first, what is given we will write first. What is given? There is a given F is equal to AT plus BT square is given. Is it okay or not? Where t is showing that time, t is showing time. So if t is showing time, so you can also write dimension of t means like this. You can write, is it okay or not? They are asking the dimension of A asking and the dimension of B asking. Is it okay? So you know very well one thing that I explained in before lecture, what whenever you will face like this equation in that unit and measurement chapter, so you will apply here equation of the homogeneity. Yes or no? So what you can write here, if suppose that you are going to write here, so you can write the dimensional formula of AT is always equal to dimensional formula of the F. So here we can write here dimensional formula of A is equal to, you can write dimensional formula of the F divided by dimensional formula of the T. So F you know very well, force. So whenever you are going to write the dimensional formula of the force, so you will write here mlt minus 2, very good, divided by dimensional formula this T you can consider here like this T. So you can make note down dimensional formula of the A is equal to ml and T will come upside minus, it means mlt minus 3. So this is a dimensional formula of the A. Similarly for the B, if suppose that you are going to write, so similarly we will apply equation of the homogeneity. So therefore you can also write dimensional formula of the BT square is always equal to the dimensional formula of the force. So now you can write here dimensional formula of the B is equal to dimensional formula of the F divided by dimensional formula of the T square. So you can write here B is equal to F. Again you can write, so here mlt minus 2 divided by T square. Is it okay or not? So now you can write here dimensional formula of the B is equal to ml T power, T square will come upside minus 2, it means minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So this is the dimensional formula of the B and this is the dimensional formula of the A. So now you can check the which option is correct. Okay, so option B, mlt minus 3, very good, dimensional formula of the A. And second things having here mlt minus 4, mlt minus 4. So this is the dimensional formula of the A, this is the dimensional formula of the B. So option B is the right answer of this given question. Is it okay or not? Very simple. You should do practice again. Okay, so this is the best for you. Discipline and consistency, two things having. If you are in discipline, if you have a consistency, so definitely no one can touch your knowledge, and you do your practice. This is your duty. Okay, so now we are going to learn next question. Okay, the dimensions of physical quantity x in the equation force is equal to x upon density is given by. They are asking dimension formula of the x upon density. Okay, this is force is equal to option A m power 1 L power 4 t minus 2. Option B m square L power minus 2 t power minus 1. Option C m square L power minus 2 t power minus 2. Option D you can see m power 1 L power minus 2 t power minus 1. Is it okay or not? So very simple. What is given? Equation given force is equal to x divided by density. Is it okay or not? Okay, so they are asking what is the dimensions of that physical quantity x. So they are asking the dimension of this one. Is it okay or not? So now if you are going to solve, so what you can solve? X is equal to, you can write force multiply density. Is it okay or not? Okay, so now you can write here dimensional formula of the x is equal to dimensional formula of the force multiply dimensional formula of the density. It means rho. D also you can write, rho you also you can write, no problems. Okay, so next, if suppose that you are going to write dimensional formula of the force, so force, wait, once again we are just writing like this. We are going to write density. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So we can write here mass divided by what we can write here volume. It means V mass upon volume. So now we can place the dimensional formula. So dimensional formula of the x is equal to force mlt minus 2 into, very good, mass m we can place same, and volume means L cube. So L cube, like this. So now you can just solve this one. So dimensional formula of the x is equal to, now you can solve m, L cube will come upside. So L minus 3, L is already having. So L plus 1, L minus 3. So here will come L minus 2 and m square. Is it okay or not? Pakka na? Okay. So m square L power minus 2 and here t power minus 2. Is it okay or not? So you can match the option dimensional formula of the x. So which option is matching? You can see option number may be C, m square L minus 2 t minus 2. Option C is the right answer of this given problem. Is it okay? Pakka na? Pakka. So now you can just make note down. Now you can see next question on the screen. Number of particle is given by small n is equal to minus d n2 minus n1 divided by x2 minus x1 crossing a unit area perpendicular to x-axis in unit time, comma, where n1 and n2 are number of particles per unit volume for the value of x, mean to x2 and x1, find dimension of capital D called as a diffusion constant. So option A is given m naught LT square. Option B is given m naught L square T minus 4. Option C is given m naught L T minus 3. And option D is given m naught L square T minus 1. This is a very important question. So please focus very hardly. Okay. So now first things, what is given here? There is a given one equation, n is equal to minus d n2 minus n1 divided by x2 minus x1. This option, it means this equation is given. After this, what they are telling, that small n is basically showing number of particle passing from per unit area, okay na, in unit time. So what they are just giving here, we are going to solve this one. So that small n is basically telling, if suppose that we are writing the dimensional formula of that small n, so what they are telling, number of particles passing from unit area in unit time. This is a very important concept, this one is small n. How you will write the dimension formula of the small n? Okay, so now you can write here formula. It means number of particle, very good, number of particle from you can write here, okay na. So like this, suppose that we are from unit area in unit time, so unit area A and unit time T, like this. So like this, if we are going to write means, so you know very well, number of particle, it is a dimensionless. So you can write here m naught, l naught, t naught. Any doubt? No doubt na. Area l square, very good. Time t, is it okay? This you got? No doubt na? Very good, no doubt. After this, what they are telling, okay, after this what they are telling, actually if you want to write this one upside, so also you can write l minus 2 t minus 1, no issues. Like this also you can write. After this, what they are telling, there is a n1 and n2. n1 and n2, what they are telling, because dimensional formula of the n1 and dimensional formula of the n2 is telling, what is telling you can see that question, okay. So what they are telling, number of particle in unit volume, number of particle in unit volume, very good. So number of particle in unit volume, if volume is telling means, so 1 upon v unit volume. Is it okay or not? If you are going to write that volume situation, so 1 upon L cube, so finally you can write L power minus 3. Is it okay or not? Till here any doubt? No doubt. N1, N2 and N you got easily. This all things you got. Till here you have no doubt, you have no questions. So now what they are going to do, so that is we are going to find. So according to this one, according to this equation, if we are going to write here, so what we need to find, you can see that find dimension of D, capital D, called diffusion constant. So we need to find the dimensional formula of this D. So here is a negative given, so no need to worry. Okay, you can write like this also. So finally, if suppose that we are going to write like this, dimensional formula of the, according to question, dimensional formula of the capital D we can write here. So we can write dimensional formula of the n into dimensional formula of the x2 minus x1 divided by here n2 minus n1. Is it okay or not? So now you can place the value. So dimensional formula of capital D is equal to, you can place the value of that n. So n value you got here L minus 2 t minus 1. Is it okay or not? If you are going to place like this, and x2 minus x1, it is showing that distance. So distance, difference is the distance you are taking. So you can place here L divided by n2 minus n1. So let us see, you are just taking the difference here of the distance. So you are getting same distance, it means length L. Is it okay or not? Similarly here n1, n2 is given, so you are writing that n2 minus n1, either n1 minus n2, whatever you want to write. So you will get same things, that is these things. Okay, so you can place here L power minus 3. Is it okay or not? So finally you can write the final answer. So dimensional formula of the D is equal to, you can just arrange these things. When you will arrange these things, it means L cube, it will come upside. So minus 2 plus 3, so it will come L. Very good. Any doubt or not? No doubt. So you are getting like this. See, this is a L minus 2 L minus 3. So upside minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1, but plus 1 also having here. So you can write here L square. Is it okay or not? Very good. And after this, all things are same having. Okay, so T minus 1. So T minus 1. Very, very good question. So which option is correct? You can see there is a given option. Maybe option number D is correct answer of this problem. This is a very, very important question having. Here only we need to just understand these things n1, n2, okay, and these things n. Two things we having only. So we can place the dimensional formula of the n, and here n2 minus n1, here x2 minus x1. So you can place and you can try to solve again. Do like this. Do revision. Okay now? Pakka. Okay. So now you can make note down. Another question you can see on the screen. Capital E, comma, small m, comma, small l and capital G denote energy, comma, mass, comma, angular momentum and gravitational constant respectively. Then the dimension of EL square divided by m power 5 G square R. There is a given some different physical quantities. So after that they are asking the dimension formula of the one equation, either one formula. Option A angle, option B length, option C mass, option D time. So now what they are telling, first things, what is the given? You can see E is basically showing that energy. So we can write here dimensional formula of that E. We can write the dimensional formula of the energy. Is it okay or not? So dimensional formula of energy you know very well. Okay, m L square T minus 2. Pakka na? Pakka. And second things, what they are telling, that having that small m. That small m means we can write that mass. So dimensional formula of this one having that basically mass. So mass dimensional formula is a capital M. Is it okay or not? Next, that having that length L. L is basically showing that angular momentum, not length, angular momentum. So basically L is showing angular momentum. What's showing? Angular momentum. So angular momentum is showing. So angular momentum, that dimensional formula having m L square T minus 1. Is it okay now? Okay. And capital G is showing that gravitational constant. It is showing that gravitational constant. So you can just write down here the dimensional formula of the gravitational constant. So you know very well, m minus 1 L cube T minus 2. Is it okay or not? So finally what they are asking? They are asking what is the dimensional formula of the EL square divided by m power 5 G square. This asking. Okay, so now you can place the value and you will get the answer. So what you can do? So E means energy, m L square T minus 2. L is the angular momentum. So angular momentum here ml square T minus 1. Very good. Square. Here is a square written. So you will apply square here. And it or not divided by that m power 5. It means m is a mass power 5. M power 5. Very good. And G square. So G is this one having. So m minus 1 L cube T minus 2 square. When you are going to solve this one, when you will just solve all things, so finally what you will get, m naught, L naught and T naught. Whenever you will solve this one, so you will get that dimensionless quantity. Okay, so dimensionless quantity if you are just getting, so which option is correct? There is given some option now, 4 option is given, 4 option. So which option is the unitless, either dimensionless? Which option is the dimensionless? That having that angle. So angle means that is the option A. So this is basically showing that angle. Dimensionless is the only angle having here. Future doctors, I want to say one thing, that I solved some problems in that previous video. I solved some problem in this video also, and next also we are going to solve numbers of problem. But what message I want to give to you? First things, as question I am solving here, similar question you will try to search and you will try to solve. And I will share another question also, that last of the video, then you will try to solve that also. If you are facing any problem, any doubt, you can make the comment below the comment box. Either I already just given their number. With the help of that number, you can send to me hi. I will add to you in WhatsApp group and you will support me. I will support you. Then God will support us